It's early in the day and tempers are rising as this customer jostles to get money. And long before the banks open their doors, crowds gather with Nigerians desperate to take out cash. And yet, many are left with exasperation, rage, and fury.
It's because of boundary, that's why I come and kill since 6:30.
Ayo Destiny, a civil engineering graduate, but now a laundryman, tells me of his anger and frustration.
When you use ATM for POS, the charge is too much. When you meet some of them, they will say they are buying the money. Imagine you want to collect 3,000 naira, they will be charging you for 1,000 naira. How much is the money?
But while many Nigerians blame POS agents, our camera lens catches some shops lying dormant or closed, while some agents share their difficulties with me.
If there is cash, that is when you say you want to run a business, and that's when the business keeps going. But without the cash to run the business, you know, everything is flopped.
I've been coming down to people selling RAM, buying cash from them. So majority of the citizens putting blame on POS people that they were the one using the cash, things like that. I don't think POS agents are having issue because most of the citizens too, they are also selling cash for all POS agents.
Meanwhile, Oluwatosi, a graduate of mass communication and a POS agent, also corroborates reports of buying cash.
It has not been easy at all. To get cash, we have to negotiate with majority of filling station, and most of them, if you speak with their manager, they will tell you that if they want to give you 10,000, 100,000, they want to collect 20,000.
But let's do the maths. Apparently, some POS operators are charged as high as 10 to 20% when purchasing the Naira. And even worse is that these exchanges take place outside the banking system.
It's 1 p.m. Nigerian time, and while some businesses around these areas are opened, this POS business is still closed. And that's perhaps one of the reasons why more knocks and criticisms have continued to pour in for the Central Bank of Nigeria. That's the country's apex bank, over what some financial experts have described as the introduction of controversial monetary policies, such as the cash withdrawal limit and the Naira redesign project. But while this cash crunch continues to bite even harder on the average Nigerian household across the country, there are indeed many questions begging for answers, such as just how long will Nigerians endure this Naira scarcity era? Plus, what is the fate of POS businesses across the country? And Nigerians are also anticipating just when Mr. President or the CBN governor will address this issue of cash crunch across the country. From Nigeria's commercial capital, I am Kelly Egiga, reporting for Channels Television News.